Posted up in the hood with our 49 on the hip. Ready to murder somebody, leave them stinking in a black bag. That's what we do for a living. We be leaving these bodies stinking in the black bag. Where we leave their ass. Posted up in the hood, stinking forever. Oh, murders, murders. We in this bitch. We keep the 49 on the hip every day, all day. Ready for a bitch to get stupid. Ready to put 2 to the back, 1 to the fucking dome. Murders, murders. We in this bitch. We in this bitch. Put the 49s up if you with me. Murders, murders. Catch up posted up in the hood with our 49 on the hip, ready to kill you. We don't play no games. We do this shit for a living. 205 line where we be in the hell, posted up on the corner with the yak in our pockets. We don't give a damn. We don't give a fuck. We just some murderers, murderers, murderers. We come through this bitch, we'll murder your ass and put your ass on the slab. Cause that's what we do. That's what we roll. I don't play no game. I do this shit every day, all day in this bitch.
Yeah, Crystal. Shit. Next.
Nigga, we'll murder your ass like 205 live Birmingham, Alabama. Bitch, we get live on ripping, stepping. All got my weapon, nigga. I got 9mm to my weapon. Motherfucking squeeze up like a fucking motherfucking fat nigga with the pleaters. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga, what you need. Nigga, weed and Hennessy, that's all I need. Nigga, and some fat ladies going ham, nigga, going down. Going itty bitty, nigga, with the slam. What the fuck you mean, bitch? I ain't
A few seconds.
Nigga talking shit, nigga, all fucking humping the shit. I'm your motherfucking bitch. Don't play with me, nigga. I am the shit. I will shoot your ass out there in that damn pit. Alabama, nigga, where a motherfucking fall. East Bay, nigga, lay your body dumb dog. Stupid ass nigga should've worn his face. Now your ass nigga been laid to bread. We don't play nigga with
ain't
the
get
fucking tick.
it.
I play your ass nigga with that fuck tick. I wish your ass up with that fuck nine. I wish your ass up with that fuck 8. I wish your ass up with that pound. I wish your ass up with that down. Alabama nigga, we get down. 205 nigga where we slam down. I don't give a fuck nigga, I'm a dog now. I be popping collars on these niggas dog now. I'm a motherfucking dog, bitch wet. Fuck what you want. I got what you need and see me, but you ain't getting none of these fucking
Murderers. Lady Shay coming through for ya. Motherfucking dog. Hand it to you, turn it back, y'all. Turn around. We got your lips. Turn around, fix this shit. No. Turn it around so you can see me. How you see me now? Murderers! That's what Crystal said. So I'm thinking of thoughts going across your fucking head. Murder, it's on the scene. Putting a bitch into the gangster lean. You already knew I was gonna say that. But how about getting stretched out in the lap? I'm better yet stretched out in the Chevy. Riding all dirty, I hope my shit is heavy. I'm riding dirty, but my shit is clean. Motherfucker, don't give a fuck, let the beat drop once again. Murderer, where Crystal said. So them thoughts still going through my fucking head. Take them out, nigga, run in that leg. Let them know they stretched out like that. Pull the rope, man, work it twice, man. Let them know ain't nothing nice, man. Let them see the fucking wings of glory. And that will hit the story. Murderer, do you hear me now? I don't give a fuck about how the beat drop now. I'll kill that shit either way it go. I'm a fucking murderer. You hear me, bro? Yeah. And I'ma steal this whole beat cause I don't give a fuck. I'm somewhere unique. Poetry is what I write on a daily basis, but I don't write. Not cause lately having the feeling, the thoughts of these situations got me thoughts of penetration. Penetrating, I'm pulling the pop. Nigga, like a knockoff. Knock a top off. I don't give a fuck, my shit gets stuck. Let you know that ass is out of fucking luck. Better duck when I come around. Motherfucking murderer is all they saw. Motherfucking real ass woman, I call me raw. get that shit? Real ass woman, raw motherfucker. You can't cope it. Yeah, I'm back. I'm that bitch. I'm that lady. Gon' get rich. I don't give a fuck if you gotta hit that like button in this motherfucker. Do it with my fucking brother. Fuck them motherfucking peeps that don't like me. I'm doing this shit because I'm a real ass OG. I don't need a goddamn beat. I done said it before. Keep on fucking with me, bitch, and now I'm kicking your door. Fuck them hoes, bitch, I'm a murderer. Real ass woman, motherfucker, I'm raw for y'all, yeah, nigga. And I ain't scared of shit. If you find me next to a ditch. Who you fucking with, bitch? You ain't on my level. Dance around many times with the devil. Ain't take me out, knives and guns couldn't play with me. Let it know I got them hand raised cause I'm a fucking witness. Got the evidence and the proof. 101 or 2 motherfucker through the roof. Shooting out shit like a fucking Luger. I got that shit looking ugly. Call it a Ooga Booga. Now push the button, bruh.
Go.